A sounds like a, a. B, A sounds like a. B sounds like b. C sounds like k. D sounds like d. F sounds like f. G sounds like g. A sounds like h. I sounds like e. J sounds like j. K sounds like k. L sounds like l. M sounds like m. N sounds like n. O sounds like o. P sounds like p.